Hi there and welcome back. In this workflow, we're going to consider how to create recent events videos. And this can be really good for you to act as or be the authority in your field that comes up with the first video on a subject that is trending. So this is how you do it. And this InVideo AI really helps you to drill down to creating one of the best videos that you can. So it's first of all asking you to give an engaging topic. So I've gone over to the BBC, my favorite at the moment, and I'm picking this particular subject on how AI helps somebody get more modeling work. So I'm going to come over here and put in the same headline as they've used. Then I'm going to go and copy the URL to the video, to the content itself, and put that over here. I want to ask it to use a female voice because the person that's been discussed is female, and I'm going to choose a young English voice for that. I'm going to tell it to give us subtitles, and use the usual iStock videos. Then all you do next is just click continue. So it's showing you the information you've given it. And you just say go and create this video for me. What I tend to do is to find content that is text content and then create a video about it. I avoid content that's already got videos created. Like I was going to do something about the CEOs and CEO secrets, but they had a lot of videos created around that subject. So I just left that. And this is how to create a video with recent events. It's really cool. So when it has done its thing, because it's thinking, it's analyzing, it's preparing, it's going to generate a new video based on all the information that it has scraped from the URLs, the URL that has given it, and let's see what happens. So I'll see you on the other side when the video is done. I like this question. It's asking, who are the audience? Are they fashionistas? Are they AI enthusiasts or modeling industry? I want to put fashion enthusiasts there, and I want to make it professional. And I want this one to be geared towards a LinkedIn audience. Now, YouTube audience. Let's tell it to continue creating. Before we watch the video, I want to show you a few things just to see how well InVideo works. Look, it has listened to or scraped the text on the URL that has been given, and it's beginning to create images that really fits in well with the text. Look at the doubles that he has created. And then look at the fashion videos that it's using. Then it joins that with AI looking, robotic looking images. And it's really gone as deep as it can to create images that are fitting with the particular video that we asked it to create.
Can you imagine a world where your digital twin could be your ticket to landing more work? Well, welcome to the reality of today's fashion industry, where the future of modeling and artificial intelligence intertwine in a fascinating dance. Meet Alexandra, a model based in London who has taken a novel approach to her career. She has created an AI-generated version of herself, an innovative move aimed at securing more modeling work. This cutting-edge idea was brought to life by Cameron Wilson's agency, The Digitals, renowned for their creation of the virtual supermodel Shudu. In recent years, AI has been making quite a splash in the fashion industry. Its integration has sparked a flurry of discussions, with some praising its potential for diversity and awareness campaigns, while others express concerns about job security and ethical implications. Some critics view AI-generated models as a step backward, arguing that they could undermine the hard-fought progress towards fair pay and conditions for human models. However, proponents of this technology see it as a tool to break boundaries, offering limitless possibilities for representation and creativity.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.